Hello students, today we are going to study inductive effect. So what is inductive effect? This is a permanent effect which arises whenever an electron withdrawing group is attached to a carbon atom. Now let us see some example. If an electron withdrawing group, that is our Cl, is present, then it becomes partially negative and the first carbon becomes partially positive. So what happens? This carbon gives electron withdrawing effect here. So from this C2 there is also electron withdrawing effect, C3 from also and C4 also. So here it will have a effect which is similar to withdrawing 4 electrons. Okay, so this effect is called our inductive effect. Okay, so then let's see properties of inductive effect. So what are the properties? That is, inductive effect is inversely proportional to distance and inductive effect is valid for maximum of 4 bond. That means up to 4 carbons. There are two kinds of inductive effect. One is plus I effect and another is minus I effect. So the permanent shifting of sigma electron towards the carbon atom due to an atom or group is called our plus I effect. So what are the plus I effect groups? That is our CH3. Now there is a order according to this plus I effect, that is 3 degree have more inductive effect than 2 degree, then our 1 degree, then our 0 degree. That means if one have this group 3 degree group here, so on this carbon inductive effect will be more when it has 2 degree. Okay, so when 3 degree is present, it will have more inductive effect than this 2 degree group here. Okay, so let us see minus I effect. Now minus I effect is the permanent shifting of sigma electrons away from the carbon atom due to an atom or group is called minus I effect. Now there are many kinds of minus I group. So there is a order of minus I group, that is NO2 greater than Cn greater than COOH greater than fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than iodine greater than our hydroxyl group. Okay, so now there we are going to see some properties according to plus I and minus I effect. So what is the first property? That is our acidity. Now acidity is inversely proportional to plus I effect and directly proportional to minus I effect. Now there is a question given that arrange the following according to inductive effect. Now this kind of question will be given in NEET, so that's why I have shown you here. So as you can see in the minus I uh, order, NO2 has most minus I effect. So here one will have more acidity than the others because acidity is directly proportional to minus I effect. Then comes our fluorine, which is also minus I effect, but its minus I effect is less than the NO2, so we'll write like this. Then comes our CH3, that is our plus I effect. So acidity is inversely proportional to plus I effect, so that's why it will have the least acidity here. So this will be the order. Okay, so another question is given, that is NO2 is also present here, that means it will have the most acidity here. Then we have OH, then Cl. Now here in the minus I order you have to remember it because see there is fluorine, there is chlorine, and there is OH. So OH have least minus I effect comparable to these halides. So now these three will have more acidity than these two, right? And it has CH3 which has plus I effect, so its acidity will be least here. So this will be the order. Okay, now there is basicity. Basicity inversely proportional to minus I effect, directly proportional to plus I effect. Now there is an arrangement which is very frequent in NEET questions, that is the basicity of amides according to inductive effect. Now there is a order, that is in normal condition what happens, that 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So here we can see according to the question it will be 3 because it has 3 degree and it has 2 degree, it is 1 degree. So it will be 3 greater than 2 greater than 1, right? But in aqueous solution what happens, the 2 degree becomes greater than the 1 degree greater than the 3 degree, so it gets reversed. So according to this it will be 2 greater than 1 greater than 3. So that's it for inductive effect.